Bajaj and you're watching me on L.in. So today we are going to be making a very simple recipe. This is a no-bake biscuit brownie. So for making these brownies we need only 3 to 4 ingredients. So we need 120 grams of biscuits or around 2 cups of biscuits, 30 grams or 1/4 cup of your choice of nuts, 20 grams or 1/4 cup of dark cocoa powder, 200 grams or 2/3 cups of condensed milk. This is basically half of this tin. We have also lined a 7x7 inch baking dish with parchment paper, but you can also grease this with butter. The first step is to break your biscuits into fours and then just grind it in a mixer grinder or a food processor until you get a sandy consistency. So the next step is to quickly dry roast our almonds. This should just take 2 minutes. So dry roasting is a very quick procedure and you want to stop right when you can just smell the nuts, and that's the perfect point to stop. So this is the consistency which you want with your biscuits. There should be some big chunks as well so that it feels more like biscuit. Now it's very simple to make these brownies. Just add in all of your ingredients one by one into this mixing bowl. And now the dry roasted almonds. Just mix everything together, and you can be very vigorous at this stage because unlike the traditional brownies, you won't be developing any gluten in this. Now we'll be adding all of the condensed milk into this. So the reason I'm not adding too much sugar into this because the condensed milk and the biscuits already have a lot of sugar in them. And now mix everything together. So after you have mixed everything together, you can see that our brownie batter is ready. I wouldn't call it a batter exactly because we are not going to be baking it. So our brownies are ready. You just need to chill them in the refrigerator for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. If you feel your batter is too tight, feel free to add a little bit of milk into this and mix it right in. Have you seen a quicker way to make brownie batter? I'm sure that you haven't. The last step is to just transfer all of this batter to your lined baking dish. It will be a little difficult to spread out this batter, but don't worry about it. Just spread it evenly and then let it chill in the refrigerator overnight. So it's the next day and our brownies are now set to be cut. You can also do this step in 4 hours, but I prefer to do this overnight. Look at that. See the biscuits coming right through, which is why I wanted small pieces of biscuits in my brownie, and it's looking really great. I can't wait to dig in. Let's do a quick taste test. Tasting really great. It has all those balanced flavors from the cocoa powder, the condensed milk and the Marie biscuits. It's really great and you should definitely try making it at home. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That is exactly how you can make a 4 ingredient no bake biscuit brownie. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to L.in.